else, today I have a question for you. You ever thought about moving out, like moving out of your parents' house?
I'm having several reasons. There is a stage of on your life whereby you have to be in the outdoor stage or other doing other things.
You know, there are some strict parents. By 8, if you come back home after 8, they will ask many questions as though, where are you coming from? What were you doing?
And mind you, you are like 25
and they don't
years
know
old.
that you've grown up. You can't even be 30.
If you want to experience that freedom, go in a different
Place.
No.
Not in the same
country.
The same country as your parents.
Okay, you can maybe be in the same country, but
okay,
not the same district
Yeah.
or area. Move, go. Because if you're in the same area, people will ask questions.
Why did you go?